Okay guys, I got a new knife I want to show you guys. We're going to do a real quick review on this. And what I'm going to try to do from now on is I'm going to try to buy one knife every month. And I'll do a review on it. So this just came in. And I discovered a new website that sells knives. It's real close to me. They're in Akron, Ohio. Slash to Gash. So it only takes about 3 days for them to mail me a knife. And this is the second one I bought off of Slash to Gash. Slash to Gash. It's spelled S-L-A-S-H, the number 2, G-A-S-H.com. They got a lot of nice knives on there. So, we're going to open this up the proper way. Man, with all these knives, I'm going to have to buy some stones. Sharpen these knives up with, Max. Okay. This is a made in China. Super knife, best quality stainless steel blade. This is the Terminator Balisong. It's all chrome. It's actually real smooth in the hands. I think this is 5.2 or 5.4 ounces. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 6-hole. Okay, there's no spring on the latch. So that's the blade. Now the first thing I noticed, it doesn't close all the way, but I could fix that. I can modify that. All you do, see where that little strike pin is? You get a Dremel tool, which I have, and I have the grinding bits, and you just grind away that metal, and then it will close all the way. But the blade is also mirror chrome. Seems like it's reasonably sharp. Let's do a cutting test here. Okay, it's reasonably sharp. Yeah, that's what we're going to have to do in order for it to close all the way. We'll have to grind that down a little bit. And these are star screws. This is not riveted. They're all star screws. I don't think there's bushings on this. You know, for me, I have to have these closing. I kind of don't like it not being able to close like this. But that's a simple fix. That can be fixed very easy. This was, I think this was $29.98 or $29.95. Okay, now I have flipped it a little bit. I had to add some oil to it. I had to oil these up. I can't loosen because I only have one star bit. So in order for me to loosen these, because when you turn these bits, the one on the other side turns too. So I need two of these, which I don't have two. But it does need loosened up a little bit. It's too tight. Seems like it's seems like it's a solid knife. It just needs loosened up a little bit. It is a little stiff. So that's the downside about it. It doesn't have a spring latch. You know, they're kind of nice because with the spring latch, you just press that and it pops open. Where like this, you have to use two hands. So there you go, guys. It's not bad. Not a bad Balisong. Let's compare this to that other one I got off of Blade City. One of these days, guys, I'll buy a more expensive one. You know, once you start spending like $100 or $150 on these, they right out of the box, they're smooth as hell. So with these, whenever you buy a cheaper one like this, you have to do a little bit of stuff to them. Okay, now here's the one I got off of Blade City. This is I think it's a little heavier. It might be a ½ ounce heavier. Okay, this one here is like a brush finish. Where this one here, this was $34. And it has a spring latch. You can see the spring in there. Where this one here doesn't have a spring. And there's really, I don't think you could even put a spring in there. Let's see here. What do you think, guys? Think you could fit a spring inside there? No, there's not enough room. I don't think there's enough room to put a spring in. It's going to have to stay like that. So this one here, the $34 one, now this is the one where I modified it a little bit. I put that curve in there. That way there, when it comes down, plus the blade's a little lighter too. This needs tightened up. It's real loose. I can't tighten it because I only have one star bit. So they're both about the same length. Let's see. Let's open it up. Now see when this one's closed. You know what? I might just leave this like this. I don't know. Well, anyway, let's do a comparison with the blades. Blades are about the same length. Yeah, I'd say the blades are the same length. The Balisongs, they're about the same length. The only difference with this one here is it has a brush finish, where this one here is it's a mirror finish. Now, the one I wanted to get was all gold. Those are sold out. If that becomes available, that's another $29 Balisong. It's another cheap Balisong, but I like it because it's all gold. If that's not available, then I'm going to get another stiletto switchblade. So not one like this, the more classic design. They do have a switchblade that's $98, and it comes in I think buffalo bone and rosewood, and it's the swing guard design, where when you open it up, or when you close it, this goes down with it. That's called a swing guard design. So, you know, I'm beginning to dislike this design here with this button, and I'm beginning to like the original design. So yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll either get the if the gold ones are available next month, I'll get one of those. Meanwhile, I'll see if I can get a star bit set to tighten these up. But I don't think it's possible to put a spring in that latch. You know, because you have to fit a spring in there. And it's going to just have to stay like that, guys. There's no room for a spring. That's the way it goes. You know, you pay for what you get. So, but it's nice. It's a nice Balisong. You know, it's all chrome, mirror chrome. You know. So, tell me what you think. Motherfucker, give me your motherfucking briefcase. How about his wallet?